Hello friends, welcome back to Nobita Creations. Today I am telling trigonometry sine cos tan. So we can see some rules to solve trigonometry problems. Label three sides OAH. O means opposite, A means adjacent, H means hypotenuse. So always you need to label these three. Write down from memory SOH, CAH, TOA. Sounds like Chinese word. Sock, ka, to. Decide which two sides are involved OH, AH or OA and select SOH, CAH, TOA. Depend on your question. Turn the one you choose into a formula triangle. So you can remember this triangle SOH. If you need to find H, then formula will be this one. If you need to find O, then formula will be like this. And CAH, cos and angle, no sorry, adjacent and hypotenuse one. This is for some problems. This is for some problems. Cover up thing you want to find. Translate into numbers and work it out. Finally, check your answer is sensible. Some details. Here they are telling how to use our scientific calculator as well. The hypotenuse is the longest side. The opposite is the opposite to the angle being used. You can see here opposite is angle, opposite is the side angle being used. The adjacent is the side next to the angle being used. So adjacent is the side next to the angle being used, but opposite is the side of the opposite the angle being used, and longest side is hypotenuse. In the formula triangles, sin theta represents sin theta, S theta represents sin theta, C theta is cos theta, and T theta is a tan theta. Remember to find the angle equal to use inverse. So for a scientific calculator, you need to press inverse or shift or second followed by sin, cos or tan, and make sure your calculator is in DEZ mode. You can only use sin, cos, tan on right angled triangles only. To add lines to the diagram to create one, especially with isosceles triangles. H means hypotenuse, is the longest side. O means opposite, and remember soh, kah, to. SOH, CAH and TOA. To solve our trigonometry problems. Now we will see some trigonometry exam style questions here. Example 1, find x in the triangle as shown. So they given opposite and angle. They didn't given h and adjacent. So we need to find now. First we need to label hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite. Write down soh, kah, TOA. SOH, CAH, TOA. Two sides involved, which is opposite and hypotenuse. So use SOH. So H equal to, we need to find hypotenuse in this question. So we want to find H. So cover it up to leave. So this is the formula, O by sin theta. So O is 15, sin 35 equal to, if you use scientific calculator and press 15 divided by sin 35 equal to 26.151702. So answer is 26.2 meters. Check it's sensible. Yes, it is about twice as big as 15 as the diagram suggests. So this is the way we will solve trigonometry sin theta problems. And at the same time, some calculators you need to press 35 sin rather than sin 35. So depends on your calculator model. Example 2. They given these three sides. So 25 meter, 30 meter and 25 meter. And they are given theta. Find the theta in this angle. Label OAH. So this is isosceles triangle. So you need to write like this, and this is opposite, this is adjacent, this is hypotenuse. We want to find theta, so cover up C theta to leave the formula. So C theta equal to A by H. What is A? Adjacent means, you can see here, adjacent is 15 centimeter and H, hypotenuse is 25 meter. So 15 over 25 equal to 0.6. If you use your calculator, inverse cos 0.6 equal to 53.130102. So answer is 53.1 degrees. Finally, is it sensible? Yes, the angle looks like about 50 degrees. And in some calculators you need to press cos inverse 0.6 rather than 0.6 cos inverse. So it is depend on your calculator model. The sine and cosine rules. The 4 examples. Here the given two angles given plus any side. So sine rule needed. First we need to label our sides. What is hypotenuse, what is adjacent, what is opposite. So we need to find B here. So B equal to 180 minus 83, because this triangle is equal to 180. So 180 minus 83 minus 53 equal to 44. So B equal to 44. Then use B by sin B equal to C by sin C. So 7 by sin 44 equal to C by sin 53, which gives 7 times sin 53 by 7 sin 44, 8.05 meter. The rest is easy using the sine rule. Two sides given plus an angle not enclosed by them. Sine rule needed. Two sides given plus the angle enclosed by them. Cosine rule needed. I am not explaining here because as you can see explanation. So pause the video and try to understand yourself here as well. This is GCSE Maths higher questions. These are, so GCSE Maths Foundation you can get only this kind of questions. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. I will see you soon with another video. Bye.